Okay, I'm going to do a little backing track here. This is my Silver Sky SE, and this is the 2023 model, Overland Gray, which matches well with the colors of the bird inlays, with the tuners, with the truss rod cover. It's just a beautiful guitar. I sold an Eric Clapton Strat pewter that was really, really nice, but I wasn't using it much. And it was a bit heavier than this guitar too. This one's actually fairly light. And what I'm going to do today is just do a little bit of a Santana jam thing in A minor, just to give you an idea what it sounds like. Right now I have it on distortion and stuff, but I can actually take off the distortion and stuff in a minute. I'll play a little bit of the Santana song so you can hear it. Smooth is pretty easy. It's like an A minor 7. And then it's F7 to an E7. That's pretty much the chords through the whole thing. There's a little section with a D minor, C, B diminished, and then back up to the same chords again. Sorry, I got distortion under, so I'm trying to play it a little quieter. But you would love this guitar. You can back things off and take the distortion down. That sounds good. Right now I have it in not the neck position, but I have it one back where it's the middle pickup and the neck pickup. These are all equally balanced pickups, very similar to the core model of the John Mayer guitar. Matter of fact, I bought it because I like John Mayer. So let's play a little bit of the jam track here, and then we'll go back and talk about this a little bit more. That gives you a little bit of an idea of the overall sound of this guitar. And you can, this is really a nice, smooth playing guitar. I've been playing it solidly since I got it a couple days ago. Let me turn off some of this boost and some of the distortion. There we go. Now I just got a bit of reverb, probably more than I need. But it's a nice, clean sound. Does that stratty kind of sound, even if you put it on the quacky kind of position. Messed up the John Mayer song, sorry about that. I've been doing a lot of John Mayer recently though, but not that particular song.